ओके, ऑसम। ऑल राइट, नमस्ते अर्चना जी, आपका बेहद दिल से स्वागत है। हम दोबारा मिल रहे हैं, इसकी मुझे बेहद खुशी है। थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग ऑन द शो व्हिच इज सुरक्षित ऑफिस वापसी। थैंक यू so much.
Thank you, Diksha. Thank you so much for inviting me again. Absolute pleasure to meet you and interact with you again.
Thank you. चलिए, ऑसम अर्चना। तो मुझे आपसे ये जानना होगा, हम फर्स्ट प्रश्न की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। हमें थोड़ा विस्तार या थोड़ा कंक्लूसिव या ओवरव्यू में बताइए, where what are the current situation right now, and then probably we talk about what are the challenges when we talk about work from home, right? So over to you, Archana. Yeah.
Sure. So I think in the last 1.5 years, we have had the biggest work from home experiment, which has never happened, in so many years. So it is a new experience for everybody, and I think everyone is learning from it. If you talk about issues of work from home, I would say first and foremost, the human touch is missing. So people are missing meeting their colleagues regularly, having some interesting conversations in office, having lunchtime conversations, having coffee conversations. So definitely the personal touch is missing, which is something that all colleagues are facing at this time. Secondly, although work from home is convenient and it is the need of the hour, there are a lot of technology issues from time to time, and we are learning to deal with that. Thirdly, I would say that work-life balance has been disturbed because of work from home, because although there is a time to start, sometimes there is no time to finish. So there is no clear deadline on when you're going to wind up. That happens all the time. So I think that is one concern which has happened from work from home. At the same time, if talking about the advantages of work from home, I think the biggest advantage is safety during pandemic. Employees are feeling safer working from home rather than go to an office where you have people coming from different locations, and there is always a risk attached to it. Also, when companies are giving them the choice of flexible working or hybrid working, they are allowing them to choose their work days, and not everybody is allowed to come into office at the same time, which means that there would be reduced number of people on a given day. So that definitely adds to the safety of the employees. So this is one thing which has emerged. Secondly, I think increased productivity of people working from home, because they have full control of their schedule, and they can work as per their convenience. Also, a lot of surveys have shown that employee happiness has gone up, in the last 1.5 years. They're actually feeling much happier and content working from home. At the same time, productivity is not getting affected.
So Archana, आपने हमें काफी बेहतरीन तरीके से बताया wellness के बारे में, employee productivity के बारे में. They are feeling so happy working from home, and few wanted to come back. तो वहाँ पे it's a great amalgamation of both productivity and happiness of the employee. Wonderful. So Archana जी, next चलते हैं. आपकी क्या राय है या आपका क्या overview point है when we talk about traditional या conventional way of doing offices, or what are the future of work, if I say so? Over to you, Archana.
Sure. So, Diksha, I would like to say that it is actually return to office and not return to work. First of all, because work has been, happening from home. So we should be calling it return to work rather than return to office. As government has eased out a lot of restrictions, companies are deciding to call their employees back. So companies have recognized at this point that there is a section of people who can continue to work from home very comfortably without affecting the productivity. And there is only a certain number of people who would actually be required to come back depending on the nature of the work that they do, right? So, companies have realized this, and therefore they have decided that instead of calling everybody to office at the same time, there would be rosters in place, probably coming into office 3 times, 4 times a week, and rest of the time you have the flexibility of working from home. When you come to office, you are meeting people. Collaboration is not getting affected. You're meeting your team members. You're having some fruitful discussions with them. At the same time, you are also having the flexibility of working from home. So many companies have now decided to have rosters in place and to have to call employees, for a certain number of days. For example, Microsoft, and they have given the choice to employees that they can actually come in 15 days. 15 days of their choice, they can come into work in a month. So many companies are working on these kind of ideas.
वंडरफुल आई थिंक अर्चना जी आपने हमें काफी बखूबी से बताया कि कितना जरूरी है फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी देना अपने एम्प्लॉइज को और फोर्स हमें बिल्कुल नहीं करना इफ दे वांट टू दे कैन कम बैक एंड दैट्स हाउ यू एंड एवरीबॉडी आउट देयर एज अ लीडर प्रेडिक्ट द future of work. Wonderful, great articulation, Archana. So, Archana जी आपने हमें बता दिया है कि wellness और ये सारे attribute हम कैसे रखें, productivity के बारे में हमने चर्चा की throughout. What you think is how we reimagine or how we restructure the workspace? तो अगर हम बात करते हैं कि workspace में हम distance कैसे रखें, हम कैसे social distancing, masking और इन सब का प्रयोग करें, तो आपके नजरिए में redesigning workplace कैसा होना चाहिए? What do you, Archana?
Sure. So, Diksha, government had given a mandate that there should be at least a 6 feet distance between 2 workstations, right? And if you look at the current scenario in many of the offices, they are not following that kind because, offices were never built like that. Pandemic is not something that we were expecting at any point of time. So first and foremost, the 6 feet distance between workstations. So what offices can do is mark the seats where the employees are able to sit, right? So that they can maintain the 6 feet distancing. That would give a lot of comfort to the employees as well, because at the end of the day they need to be safe and they need to feel safe to come back to office. So definitely spacing between workstations is very, very important. Secondly, I would say open floor plans. So, offices with open floor plans, they definitely benefit at such a time because people want to be in an open space. They don't want the office space to be cramped. There should be, if at all there are, too many hindrances to that, so that is something that should be taken care of. Thirdly, even in cafeteria or common areas, coffee machine areas, to ensure that the tables are placed with adequate distance. Then if you talk about the washrooms, that is again a very, very important point, which many people don't look after, but, to have minimal touch points. So, to have taps, which are the sensor taps, so that employees don't have to actually touch them every time. Because I think as the pandemic is spreading, people are really concerned and everybody wants to stay safe. So they should be really feeling comfortable and safe to come back to office. So, I would say reduce the number of touch points in office, ensure that the employee feels safe and comfortable to come back to work.
Great insights, Archana. आपने बताया कि कितना जरूरी है किसी भी employee का from first entrance to spending the entire 9 hours in the office and keeping sure that आप social distancing भी करें, आप touch points भी reduce करें. तो I think 3 to 4 pointers that you mentioned very correctly are very, very useful for the organization to redesign or restructure the workplace. Wonderful said. All right, Archana, आपने हमें काफी सारी जानकारी भरी बातें बताई, महत्वपूर्ण बातें बताई, जिससे हम समझ सकते हैं कि वर्कप्लेस कैसे रीडिजाइन करें, कैसे हम अपने एम्प्लॉइज और वेलनेस पे ज्यादा फोकस करें और कोलैबोरेशन पे और इंक्रीज करें अपने कोलैबोरेशन को. सो वंडरफुल सर. चलते हैं अपने लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द शो में. अर्चना, आप हमें बताएं कि what do you think? So can you just help me, like, what are the takeaways that our audience should get first, and second, what are the final statement or the conclusion statement from your side as a leader? Over to you, Archana. Thank you.
So I think first of all, Diksha, I would like to say that the pandemic and the last 1.5 years has made us realize that productivity can happen anywhere, not just from office. And that is something that we all realize working from home. Pre-COVID, remote workers were made engaged in a better workplace experience, but now people realize that this can happen working from anywhere, not important that you have to be working from office. Secondly, I would like to say that flexibility and the choice of giving that choice to the employees of being able to work from anywhere gives them a lot of power, to the employees, and helps them to do better. 73% in a recent survey, what we've come to know is that 73% of employees feel that work from home is important, and it should be a part of the workplace strategy. So that is something that we have all realized. And finally, I would like to say that the new workplace system will be a total workplace system, which means that your office is not just your corporate office where you have been going to for so many years, but it is actually an ecosystem of various locations that you work from. So I think that's a big takeaway. The purpose of office is to provide an inspiring destination that strengthens the cultural and the human connection and helps to increase the bonding between colleagues and supports innovation.
Great, amazing. So thank you so much, Archana. That was so insightful, so amazing. It was always glad to hear your leadership insights, and it's definitely a learning point for all of us. Thank you so much on being in the show and for your precious time.
Thank you, Diksha. Thank you so much for having me here.
Thank you always. Chale, bye-bye. Take care.
Okay.